Hey guys, welcome to our guide to pre and post workout meals where we share the best foods to eat and when to eat them. Discover how consuming the right foods can supercharge your performance, accelerate your recovery, and make getting essential nutrients a breeze. Get ready to dive in and optimize your workout nutrition. Let's go! Eating strategically before your workout skyrockets your energy levels and enhances your endurance. Here are the top foods you should incorporate into your pre-workout routine. Packed with energizing carbohydrates and potassium, bananas fuel your muscles and prevent cramps. Next one is oats. These complex carbohydrates provide a sustained release of energy, keeping you satiated and fueled. Whatever its comforting bowl of oatmeal or granola bar, oats make for an ideal pre-workout snack. Third one is the Greek yogurt. Easily digestible and muscle-repairing protein, Greek yogurt supplies quick energy and supports your workout. Mix it with fruits and honey to add a burst of flavor to your snack. The next one is whole grain bread. Loaded with carbohydrates and fiber, whole grain bread sustains your body throughout the workout. Pair it with peanut butter or avocado for a satisfying pre-workout snack. Try an amazing banana and peanut butter shake. Blend 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 cup of almond milk for a nourishing and filling shake that fuels your workout. For after workout, your goal should be recovery and elevate muscle soreness. Here are the top foods to incorporate into your post-workout routine. First one is grilled chicken wrap. Grill a chicken breast until cooked through, then slice it into strips. Spread hummus or Greek yogurt on a whole wheat tortilla. Add the chicken, avocado, tomatoes, and mixed greens. Then drizzle with a light dressing. This wrap aids muscle recovery with a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. The next one is sweet potato. Replenish your energy stores with nutrient-rich sweet potatoes. Loaded with carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, they reduce inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Combine a baked sweet potato with grilled chicken or fish for a satisfying post-workout meal. The third one is spinach, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and iron, which aids in muscle recovery and reduces inflammation. Create a refreshing spinach salad topped with grilled chicken or salmon for a post-workout delight. The next one is chocolate milk. This delightful beverage replenishes your body fuel with the carbohydrates and promotes muscle recovery with the protein. It also contains electrolytes like calcium and potassium to rehydrate and prevent muscle cramps. Lastly, we have blueberry and banana shake. Combine blueberries, banana, vanilla protein powder, and almond milk. Blueberries reduce inflammation, while bananas provide energy. The protein powder and almond milk aid in muscle repair and rebuilding. Now that we explored the optimal foods for pre and post workout, let's delve deeper into the benefits and how they can amplify your performance and recovery. Before a workout, fueling your body with the right nutrients is essential to sustain energy levels and maximize your performance. Carbohydrates serve as the primary source of fuel for your muscles as they are converted into glucose and utilized during exercise. Bananas, oats, and whole grain bread are excellent carbohydrate sources that provide a gradual release of energy, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels and ensuring sustained performance. In addition to carbohydrates, protein aids in muscle repair and rebuilding before a workout. Greek yogurt, with its high protein content, is an ideal pre-workout snack that offers easily digestible protein and maintains energy levels throughout your workout. Incorporating healthy fats into your pre-workout snack enhances its benefits by providing a source of sustained energy. Like peanut butter, avocado, and almond milk are excellent sources of healthy fats that can be incorporated into your pre-workout meal or shake, keeping you satisfied and energized. To expand on the delicious and easy pre-workout banana and peanut butter shake, consider adding additional ingredients to boost its nutritional value. Spinach can be added for an extra iron and antioxidants, while chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Experimenting with different types of milk, such as coconut milk or soy milk, can add variety and flavor to your shake while providing additional nutrients. Moving on to post-workout nutrition, replenishing your body with the right nutrients is crucial for muscle recovery and reducing soreness. Protein is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscles after a workout, and eggs serves as an excellent source of high-quality protein containing all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Sweet potatoes and spinach are also highly beneficial post-workout foods due to their rich vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. They aid in reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. Pairing a baked sweet potato with grilled chicken or fish provides a well-rounded post-workout dish. Chocolate milk has gained popularity as a post-workout drink due to its optimal balance of carbohydrates and protein. The carbohydrates replenish depleted glycogen stores, while the protein aids in muscle repair and rebuilding. Chocolate milk also contains electrolytes like calcium and potassium, which aid in rehydration and prevent muscle cramps. Expanding on the blueberry and banana shake, consider adding Greek yogurt for an extra protein and creaminess, or flax for omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Experimenting with different berries such as strawberries or raspberries can add a variety and flavor while providing additional nutrients to support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. In addition to the specific food mentioned already, proper hydration is vital before and after workout. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout is recommended to prevent dehydration and ensure optimal functions. In conclusion, proper nutrition plays a vital role in optimizing performance and recovery during exercise. A balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables fuel your body and provides the necessary nutrients for muscle repair and recovery. Additionally, staying properly hydrated with water is crucial for overall performance and well-being. Follow these guidelines and experiment with different food combinations to create delicious and nutritious meals and snacks that support your fitness goal. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the best foods to eat before and after a workout. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. Check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on nutritious, fitness, and healthy living. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.